In this video, you'll learn how to copy a Microsoft form link so you can easily share your form with others. Whether you've created a survey, a quiz, or a simple feedback form, being able to grab the correct link quickly is essential. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly, and along the way, I'll explain what you're seeing on screen so you know you're in the right place. First, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account and that your form is already created. Once you're ready, open your form in Microsoft Forms. You can do this either from the main Microsoft Forms homepage, where your recent forms are listed, or from within your Office or Microsoft 365 apps, if that's how you usually access it. Click on the form you want to share, and it should open in the editing view, where you see your questions and settings. With your form open, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Send. This is the area where Microsoft Forms groups all the different ways you can share your form. Go ahead and click the Send button. When you do, a panel or pop-up window will appear, usually centered on the screen or sliding in from the side, showing different sharing options. In this Send window, you'll see several icons, each representing a different sharing method. There might be an email icon, a QR code icon, an embed icon, and so on. What we're interested in is the link option. Look for the icon that looks like two connected links in a chain. This is the link icon. Click that link icon to switch the Send panel into link sharing mode. Once you click the link icon, Microsoft Forms will generate a unique web address for your form. You'll see a text box appear with a URL inside it. This is the link that people will use to access your form. Before you copy it, it's a good idea to quickly scan above the link to confirm the sharing setting. For example, it may say that anyone with the link can respond, or that only people in your organization can respond. If you need to change that, you can usually adjust it right there in the Send panel, but the steps in this video focus just on getting the link itself. Now that your link is visible in the box, look for the button labeled Copy next to the URL. Click Copy. As soon as you do this, the link is placed on your clipboard. That means you can now paste it anywhere you like, into an email, a chat message, a document, or a browser address bar to test it. On most devices, you can paste by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac, or by using the paste option from your right-click menu. At this point, you've successfully copied your Microsoft form link. Take a moment to paste it somewhere safe, like a note or a draft email, so you don't lose it. If you ever update your form later, you can repeat these exact same steps to recopy the link. The URL usually stays the same, so anyone with the link will see your latest version automatically. That's all there is to it. Open your form, click Send, select the link icon, and click Copy. Once you get used to where the Send button and link icon are, this becomes a very quick habit whenever you create a new form.